Hi, everybody. Welcome to Denver, Colorado, the Mile High City. Along with Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cebulski. The EA Sports crew is in place. The players are ready to go. What's the message here, Ray?
I don't know that there can be a message other than it's so obvious. If you're the team in the lead, it's a chance to stretch the series. If you're the team behind, you got to close that gap. Critical game.
Setters glide into position for the opening draw. Don't you just love playoff hockey? Listen to this place. Let's get after it. Handles the puck. The Stars looking against the half wall. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. The Avs are on the attack. Dallas has possession of it now. Slides the puck to Perry. Dallas plays it against the boards. Quick feed to Landeskog. Picked off. And he regains control of the puck. Scooped up along the wall by Klingberg. Makes the save as he got a blocker on it.
Oh, you're not going to get a better...
And it's in! He scores! Gets his own rebound and makes it count.
That's a good play. It's a goal scorer's play. You shoot the puck and follow your shot. He gets a little lucky that it comes right back to him, but he makes no mistake.
Dallas gets the perfect road start here with an early goal.
The coach was talking about them being aggressive. They've played this perfectly. They've got the early goal. They've had good shifts. Now you stay aggressive.
Colorado's on the attack. And now it's over to Comper. Blocked in traffic. And it's a quick pass to Johns. Point-to-point pass. On the doorstep and makes the save. Colorado's looking to break out. Moves the puck from off the bank pass. And now he moves it to Ben. That's just textbook positioning to break up the play. Slides it back to the blue line. Colorado's got it along the wall. Shot! Oh, and a good opportunity right there.
You don't get many chances. You want to finish them off, so he'll be a little frustrated as he heads back up ice.
Here's a chance right out in front. Denies him!
Bishop's able to keep the score the same. He turns away a slot shot. I want to go back to that chance we had just a moment ago. The goalie reads the play well, makes a great save on a really good scoring chance.
Inching closer to the midway mark of the period. 1-0 the score. Belmar's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. Moves it to Nemestikov. Colorado's got the puck against the half wall. Radulov stick handling in his own zone. Here they are on the attack. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Oh, here we go! Janmark's got it along the boards. Slides the puck down low. Moves the puck. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. What a great read breaking up the pass.
The Stars play another tight game. One of the reasons is day after day they're in the right position on the ice. Sticks in the middle of the ice to intercept pucks all over.
Stopped by the goaltender. And he slides it quickly to Johnson. Phenomenal save with the glove to knock it away.
Stop one, stop two. The goalie makes a couple of excellent saves.
The Avs will play the puck from behind the net. Nichushkin's got it across the line. Takes the feed. And now he tries to get it across to Faksa. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. And he slides it quickly to Nieto. Moves the puck over to Kamenev. Here's a short pass to Kamenev. And that one's broken up. Dallas tries to break out from their own end. The Avalanche have taken possession along the wall. With the stop.
Even though that puck is delivered with great velocity, that looked like a pretty easy stop for the goalie to make.
Past the halfway mark of this period, Dallas has the 1-0 lead. Seguins won the draw deep in the defensive zone. Moves it quickly over to Perry. Dallas plays it along the wing. Comes up with the stop. A little back and forth. And now he moves it quickly to Burakovsky. Back to the point it goes. Great defensive play to come up with the puck. Regains possession at center.
Seguin's dangerous, and he's got the puck now. He had the go-ahead goal earlier on.
And they can't connect. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Klingberg. From the opposite point. And the puck leaves the offensive zone. They'll be forced to tag up. Breakaway!
Oh, the puck was like an anchor for the forward. He's got a breakaway, but he gets caught from behind.
Colorado's got the puck along the boards. Denied by the goaltender. Still to come in period number 2. Lots of action on the ice. And up in the broadcast booth, business will pick up. The iconic Snoop Dogg will join us here. Just here in the late stages of this frame, Dallas leads it 1-0. Quick pass to Nieto. Carries it across the line. Takes that pass back at the point. Oh, he comes up with a stop as he got the glove on it. Oh, great play to use the wall handling the pass. There are rock stars, and then there's next level to that. And our guest coming up in period number 2 defines it. Snoop Dogg coming up here on EA Sports. 2 more periods still to come. We'll be right back with much more action here on EA Sports. What a treat to be joined here in the broadcast booth. The one, the only hip-hop icon, Snoop Dogg. How are you, sir?
Hey, baby. Let me put these headphones on so I can hear what I'm saying.
He is ready to roll.
Oh, crystal clear. Can you hear what I'm saying, baby?
Loud and clear, sir. What a pleasure.
Man, pleasure's all mine.
Stars sell the game here, Snoop. Who are some of the guys that you cheered for?
Man, Marcel Dion back in the days. I used to love the way he got down on the Lemieux. And, of course, 99. Gretzky, the great one.
Have you ever met Wayne?
Man, me and Wayne, I'm the greater one.
You're the...
That's my nephew.
Lots of hockey left to be played in this period. We got a 1-0 game to this point. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Into the offensive zone. Pass right in front. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Seguin's taking the puck behind the net. Landeskog's moving the puck through his own zone. Francouz elects to hang on and get a whistle here, Ray.
Yeah, pretty soon, James, the players in front of him are running all over the place. They're trying to help, but they're not. That cover was important.
Compher's won it off the faceoff. Gets the puck over to Jost. Jost's got it on the offensive end. Here inside the offensive end, takes the feed from along the boards. Now a quick pass to Jost. From one point man to another. Good check, frees the puck up. It's Snoop Dogg with us here in the broadcast booth. Super fans seem to be left, right, and center in sports these days. Could it work in hockey? Do you like seeing the super fans?
Man, look at what it's doing for other sports. It's growing the sports to another level. Hockey deserves it, man. This sport has been around for many years. It's a great sport. It's competitive, and people love it. So it deserves that. We need more super fans. I'll be the first one. Let's go.
Quick feed to Heiskanen. Receives the pass. Dallas on the attack. And now he angles it across to Dickinson. And that sails over the net.
You kick yourself in the tail after you miss a chance like this. Has to be on the net.
Belmar's got it to the side. Good defensive effort to poke it away. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Forces the turnover in the neutral zone. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Pass back to the point. Sends the pass over. A little crashing and banging forces the turnover. And makes the save. You're the man who gave us Hockey 101. Where'd that originate from?
Say, man, teaching and, just trying to educate while at the same time I was learning. So it was a fun thing to do. Hopefully we can do more of it.
You always been a teacher?
Man, I love teaching, man. That's what I do best.
He is an educator, people.
Hello.
Ladies and gentlemen, he is the one and only Snoop Dogg. I don't know if you got to get going, but do you want to watch the rest of the period up here with us?
If I can order us a couple of drinks, I'd love to stay up here with you.
I will not discriminate against.
Hey, bring them drinks up
like
here. I'm going to be up here for a minute.
Como's been tripped up, and we got a penalty coming up here. Let's see what the official says here. Cole's been nabbed for tripping.
Reaching for the puck, trying to be in position. You're just a little bit away, and then you get nabbed for tripping.
Yeah, it's always tough to use the I got stuck excuse, right?
It never works.
Dallas sends their man advantage unit out for the first time this evening.
Here's their first power play of the night, James, and they can be patient on it. They want to get the good shot, not just start firing puck after puck at the net.
Dallas gains a hold of the puck against the boards. And he gains the zone here. Move to the middle. Wrist shot from the slot, and he makes the save. Right out in front. Here's a chance in front, and another stop. Past the midway mark of the frame, James and Ray with you tonight. 1-0 is where we sit at this point. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Moves it up, and it's a quick pass to Hintz. And makes the routine save. Off the draw, and he ties up his opponent. Dallas has it in the offensive end. Oh, denies him with the save. I think he got the blocker on it. Whistle blown as a few players go ducking for cover on the bench. And a solid job tying up his opponent. Here's a chance to get it out of their own end. And manages to clear the zone. Dallas has it near the wall. The Stars get nothing here on this power play. We're back to even strength.
Well, as that penalized player comes out of the penalty box, he can give a nod down to his penalty-killing unit. They did their job. Outstanding work.
Getting into the later stages of this period, we've got a 1-0 hockey game thus far. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Carries it in. Nice feed inside the offensive zone from the boards. Through the offensive zone and behind the net now. Handles the puck at the point. Shuts him down. Colorado's gained possession along the boards. Up along the wing. Moves it to Lindell. And now it's over to Hintz. And now he moves it to Klingberg. Klingberg's got it along the boards. And that one fired right into the bench. McKinnon's won the draw here in the open ice. And now he tries to get it across to McKinnon. Dallas plays the puck along the boards. Log jam in front, that's broken up. Takes it across the blue line. Colorado's got a hold of it along the wall. All right, third period action is just around the corner. Our special thanks. I got to calm down here. What a treat to hang out with Snoop Dogg. Third period coming up. 1-0 is where we sit after 40 minutes of play. Still a wide open game. What's in store for the third period? Let's tune in to find out just moments away. And they are ready to drop the puck on period number 3. extra time, the final frame of this one. Here we go. Third period is underway. Once again, I'll send it back down to my broadcast partner, Ray Ferraro, who is at ringside. Ray, we've got 2 periods played. How do you see this thing?
Colorado's players have to be feeling a little frustrated. They've had much of the time of possession, but they're still chasing the game.
Lots of time left in this period. 1-0 the score. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Takes the feed in the middle of the neutral zone. And now it's grabbed by Landeskog. Here's a short pass to Landeskog. Landeskog's going to play it against the half wall. Taken by McKinnon. And he comes up with it. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Harry's picking up steam. There's the whistle. Offside is the call, stopping the play. Good job tangling up his opponent here. Takes the pass. Good use of the body on the play. Dallas gets the puck near the boards. Sends a pass over. It's a 2-on-1. Dallas has it against the half wall. Here's a shot. Makes the save. What a reaction with the blocker. And the puck's booted away. Kicked up ahead to his teammate who skates away. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Donskoy. Puck dumped in. Dallas takes possession along the wall. Dickinson's got it through the neutral zone. Colorado's got it behind the net. Sidorov's got the puck in his own zone. On the attack along the boards. That sails over the net.
He looks like he's trying to go right under the bar. He just elevates that a little bit too much.
So close, yet so far. Knocked away. Directed over to Nemestikov. Along the half wall with the puck. Moves it quickly over to Graves. Handles it along the blue line. And now he angles it across to Belmar. Grabbed along the boards by Janmark. Pushes it across to Dickinson. Look out, a 2-on-1. Slides it across. He scores! Alexander Radulov!
That's a quick one-timer right in front of the net. The pass is there. He's got no time to do anything with it. And he beats the goalie.
Dallas has added another here in this third period. They lead by 2 with only minutes remaining here.
That's a big goal. You really deflate the other team. Now they got to get a couple just to get even. Great, important goal for them to score.
What a stop as he puts out the fire! James and Ray with you tonight. More than half the period has been played. Dallas continues to lead by a pair of goals. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Gets in front of it. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Oh, what a stop! Slides the puck ahead to Radulov. Dallas takes it across the line. Picks off the pass. He scores! Jumps on the rebound and makes it count.
Get to the net. That's where the goals are. The rebound sits there, and he puts it away.
Dallas has been on fire, and they continue to keep the goal-scoring onslaught on here in the third.
I think that's the most important thing, James, is they just haven't taken their foot off the pedal. You've got them down. Time to put it away.
And he slides it quickly to Johnson. Trying to gain a step. He's clear. What a stop on the breakaway. Kamenev's won a big draw on their own end. Big-time defensive play. Nieto swooping in on the attack. Snapper from the slot. He scores! On the rebound, lights the lamp for the goal.
Oh, James, this is your fault. I know you said shutout in your head. You broke the curse. This is in the net. That goalie's not happy with you.
The Avs still have a big hill to climb here, but they got one back, Ray.
They're going to have to get their D up into the play, take a couple of chances. One is not going to do it.
Face off here in the neutral zone, and we are back underway. Nice save by the keeper to trap that puck in his chest. And there's the whistle stopping the play. Here in the back half of this period, Colorado still down by 2 goals in this one. Dallas will go to work here in the offensive end. Oh, wow! What a save with the glove! A big draw looming here in the offensive zone. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone.
Oh, he laid a solid hit on him there. He was waiting for him and laid the shoulder right into him.
That might loosen a few of the chompers on that play. Quick pass to Gerard. With the blast, just wide of the net.
The Avs are a frustrated group. You can feel it on their bench as they miss another chance.
Moves it on over to Perry. Dallas looks to attack. Moved into the middle, and that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Quick feed to Alexiak. Perry's got the puck. Here's a pass down low. Here he is on the backhand, and that shot dies in traffic. Gets the puck in deep. Dallas has possession of it now. Nice pass. Lets it go with the stop.
Gerard's got to know right before he takes this hit that he's going to get run over.
Here in the late goings of the period, Dallas is enjoying a 3-1 lead to this point. Less than 60 seconds left here in the final frame. Burakovsky's gaining momentum. The sense of urgency has really set in. They pulled the goalie. The extra attacker's out. Dallas moves ahead with the puck. Dallas is across the blue line. The Avalanche have the puck against the boards. Takes the feed. Here's a shot. That one's off the blocker. Dallas gains a hold of possession. Takes the feed from the wing. A chance to end it. Moves it to Graves. Dallas and breathe.
I got 2 of these in my career. I was never out at the end of a game.
You had 400 goals and only scored 2 empty netters?
Yeah, when we were protecting the lead, it was safest with me sitting down.
What an indictment.
Oh, yeah. Now that empty netter should wrap this up here. We're in the last little bit of the third period. That should be enough.
Belmar's won the draw here in the neutral zone. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Back to the blue line. Denied by the goaltender. There's the horn, and that's the hockey game. We've got ourselves a series here as we're all evened up at 1.
A lot of pressure on them, trailing 1-0 coming into game 2. They played really well. They needed this, not to fall down 2-0.
For Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cybulski. Thanks for joining us tonight.